How WhatsApp makes money. WhatsApp doesn't earn revenue through advertisement. Actually, the founders hated advertisements and created this ad-free platform focusing just on great user experience and interface. Initial revenue generation strategy. Firstly, they decided to come up with a paid version of the application where they charged an annual fee of $1 from the users in some countries. Then, WhatsApp got funding of $250K by 5x Yahoo Friends. Another funding was carried by Sequoia Capital, which invested a total amount of $60 million in WhatsApp. The amazing part, this was the only source of income for the 50 staff members of WhatsApp. This is why WhatsApp waived off the $1 subscription fee. And now you don't have to pay anything to WhatsApp. WhatsApp revenue model, Facebook strategy. After the acquisition, Facebook introduced some really strategic plans for WhatsApp's revenue model. Number 1, WhatsApp Business. Number 2, WhatsApp for Business API. WhatsApp Business. Actually, WhatsApp does not make money from WhatsApp Business. Then how are they earning money? Answer: API economy. WhatsApp for Business API, the first revenue earning product, WhatsApp Business API. It charges business for slow replies. This means that the businesses will be able to respond to messages from users for free up to 24 hours, but will have to pay a fee for every message sent after 24 hours. The charge is fixed but is different for different countries. Future revenue earning strategy. It looks like copying Snapchat's feature wasn't just to steal its consumer base. WhatsApp is now planning to copy its revenue earning strategies as well. According to Economic Times, the company has planned to let businesses use the status feature, where text, photos, videos, and animated GIFs can be shared for 24 hours to advertise and promote their business.